You're probably wondering if you're injured in a motor vehicle accident, if you can be compensated or not. New York State has a no-fault law. No-fault law provides for certain benefits from the car, generally from speaking from the car that you're in. The next step of the equation is, can we get you compensated from the insurance company of the car that injured you? New York State requires us as your lawyers to be able to prove that you have a serious injury as defined under New York law in order to get a recovery for you. The legislature has provided us with categories of serious injury. We need to take all of the medical evidence and try to plug you into one of these categories. Once we get over that category, or into a category, we can then talk about what is the value of the case. Now, the categories are death and dismemberment, fracture, significant scarring, inability to do your normal daily activities for at least 90 days out of 180 days, loss of a fetus, and there are two other categories, permanent consequential limitation, significant limitation. Those categories are a little bit more difficult to get your hands around because they're not specific. So what we do is we take your medical evidence, we look at the medical records and make a determination as to which of the categories apply. And then we argue to the insurance companies as to why you have a serious injury under New York law. And after that, we counsel you as to what the value of the case is. And value of cases is dependent upon severity of injury, length of injury. Is this going to be something that's going to affect you for the rest of your life? And we will then talk to the insurance company about maximizing what we get for you based on what we see in the medical records.